How you na dey now? Welcome to 101 TV. Now your boy Dayo again. In case they see me as I dey practice. Now my mentor I dey look up to my big man Ryan Giggs, ex-Man United player and the current manager of the Wales national men's football team. And we no go understand wetin dey happen for this 1.7 million house for Greater Manchester. Ryan Giggs don dey box him wife up. I don't understand men nowadays. Shey na the new thing wey dey happen. Na the new craze be that. I don't know, but Ryan Giggs don beat up in 3-year-old girlfriend. The relationship don go for a while. Kate Gravy beat am up, minor injuries. On the 1st of November, police come to the house around 10:01 p.m. where they hear say disturbances dey, wahala dey, problem dey, the place don scatter. Police come, surround everything. They carry my boy Ryan Giggs go. The thing don enter the official police report say Ryan Giggs na woman beater. He dey beat woman o. The thing shock me too. I don't understand wetin I go do about am, but wetin man go do? Wetin man go do? But the thing be say, I know dey condone violence, I know dey condone beating of woman. Please, if you get woman, if she do you wrong, leave am o, cause the moment when you don touch am like this, the story don change and they go bundle you like this. You dey go prison be that o, my boy. So please, I no condone that thing. But the thing they don't speak to all in representatives and none of them drop any information on the matter. They talk say they don't acknowledge them, but they don't make any official announcement. Even the team, they won't release the squad team for the Wales male national football team because they won't play USA, Finland, and Iceland, but everything don't cancel. The press release don't cancel. But the authorities talk say they don't recognize anything don't happen and they will make their own public announcement later. Alright. Up blues for life. Actually, I lie you. I be Liverpool fan for life. But right now, all you blues fans wey dey there, you know say your keeper, that keeper guy wey dey catch things. He don't mess up, he don't fuck up. See, as things they happen right now, Mendy, this young black ball Senegalese guy, be like 6'5". Wait, wetin be my height? Be like 5'11", 6'5", go dey child. I'm gonna look at him like this. Anyways, Mendy, tall Senegalese guy, don't they save everything for this thing for Chelsea right now. Out of his 6 last game, now 5 clean sheets don't keep. Wow! Now waiting this guy no fit do last season be that Kepa chop close to 59 goals with an average saving rate of around 57%. This guy no save anything. He dey shoot ball like this, he go just dey look and the entire defense don't lose. They don't lose this thing, trust with the guy. They don't trust him anymore. Kepa now one of the most expensive keeper right now. This guy, they go around $80 million. Wow. Imagine that, Dayo. Imagine that $80 million. I feel buy a car. I feel buy a house. I feel buy like 2 houses, 3 cars. Ha! $80 million doesn't be small money, and now wait till they give this guy, wait till you do. After he broke up with his girlfriend, when his girlfriend dump him, everything just fall apart for him. He no get anything, everything don't fall apart. But now, Mendy and the new boy in town, they buy Mendy for just a very small sum of $29 million. And right now, Mendy is one of the best keepers in the world with average saving rate of over 79%. This guy, they save everything, they jump, they save ball, they save cross. Wow, but what I want to ask you blues fans say, it's not the last time you go see Kepa be this. When your career they go, be like say they won't fix road for Chado, they go call him, make on the carry show. Because it be like say keeping no they work for him anymore. Just go find one another job. Because right now things don't spoil for him. Things don't scatter. But should we go see Kepa again? Or see another big thing go pick him up? I mean, I know for the comment section down below when you post them there, what do you think about Kepa in future, in career? What are your opinions? Say you think say maybe they even give him another chance? Maybe try, because people like say you don't try or you don't feel. But any which one, put down for the comment section. I won't read them, I go hit you back. As normal now, may you like, subscribe, and remember to share. Make all your blues fans know what they happen to Kepa and what many they do for Chelsea. I mean, they also give their opinion on this news now. But now your boy Dayo 101 TV, may you stay on lock. Safe.